Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with, I think, just a beautiful picture from Loretta Hurley. This is the crazy mountains at dawn. Look at that. Wouldn't you just love to cut this out and hang it over your sofa? What a cool-looking shot that is. Yeah, I like that one. Here's another nice shot from Lynn Richardson. Snow was falling this morning over in the Powell area. That's what they had. Kind of reminded me of the kind of snow we had in the Billings area. Of course, you notice the snow has stopped in the Billings area, but the streets, they look a little shiny to you. Yeah, they're a little icy out there. Your morning commute, you might want to leave a little early. Maybe check in with our morning show because Montana of the Morning will tell you how icy the streets are, but they're going to be icy in the morning. 28 degrees right now. Southwest wind now at about 12 miles per hour. Gives you a temperature that feels like 18 degrees out there with those mostly cloudy skies. 35 was our high, 38 the normal high. The record 69 back in 2015. Record low is 23 below zero the year before that. That was a 2014 tonight. You'll see precipitation-wise, we wound up with a tenth of an inch of new precipitation. Basically with about a half an inch of snow is what we had on the ground, maybe up to an inch depending on where you live. But 3,500 is where we are for the month. So we're actually ahead of normal for the month. We're just barely behind for the year at 5,700s. To be caught up to average, we need to be at 5,800s for this time of year. So you'll notice here around the state, our current temps are mostly into the 20s and 30s out in the west, 33 over Missoula. Across the High Line into the teens and 20s there. Glasgow 19. A little cool over at Williston. They're getting some of that colder Arctic air from Canada. But here in the south central part of the state, mostly into the 20s right now. But look at our reported highs. Look at all the 40s over here at Helena, Great Falls, Cutbank. 41 over at Harvey. See 42 at Jordan tonight. Everyone else generally into the 30s at this hour. And as we move on, let me show you some of the snowfall amounts. Red Lodge Mountain, 13 inches of snow. Now that takes them to 36 inches of snow since Sunday. You know, that's like countertop height. Look at the counter at your house. That's about 36 inches. Anyway, Hardin, 5.5 inches of snow, 4.4 over Bozeman, Belgrade 4 inches, same thing near Phillipsburg. But as we move on, let me show you the story. We do have avalanche warning in the southwest corner of the state tonight for the Bridger, Gallatin, and Madison ranges. A new foot of snow on a weak basis causing all sorts of avalanche dangers there. Plus, we have a number of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Snowfall amounts ranging in there from 13 to 21 by Missoula, 10 to 20 by Great Falls. Beartooth's got up to 2 feet of snow, 24 inches. But the snow in the Billings area, that has dipped down a little bit farther south. We're no longer in a winter weather advisory. That's over here in parts of Carbon and Bighorn County. They could see 2 to 5 inches of snow there. So as we move on tonight, Doppler radar still coming out of the northwest, your jet stream. There's your scattered snow showers, and this whole thing's going to push down in this area tonight. Looks like Billings could see some snow showers very late tonight coming out of Missoula. But in the meantime, you have this big upper level trough continues to slide its way towards the east coast. And once that happens, it allows all this wet weather here in Washington to eventually start pushing its way into our neck of the woods. So that's what our forecast map shows. Look at this. This thing just kind of moves right in, brings scattered snow showers to the west, and then this low pressure cell continues to move through. And then I think by the time Saturday gets here, we're looking at this low pressure cell swinging through, wraparound moisture, give us some more snow showers. So what's going to happen? We're looking at snowfall amounts here in the Billings area, just some light stuff, maybe 1 to 2 inches by Sunday. But tonight in Montana, we're looking at temps cooling down to the teens and 20s across south central Montana with partly cloudy skies tomorrow. Back up into the 30s in most cases. And then after that, we'll wind up with 25 for the low tonight and a 30% chance for snow. Next 7 days, check this out. It'll be 37 on Friday, 70% chance for snow Friday and Saturday, 43 Saturday, 34 Sunday. We should be dry for a couple of days. More snow on Tuesday right on through Thursday, and then we cool back down into the teens. Let's go back to the desk.